That will happen. Kaise?
If JDU underperforms, you are still going to have a Mahagathbandhan government with a dramatic change of events.
My God, what a dreamer! What a dreamer!
मतलब नीतीश
संजय झा कोई बात नहीं,
विशेष कुछ
बिहार में ही मुंगेर है और मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने आपको पूरी तरह से
आपने पलटू राम के बारे में भी तो सुना है.
Well, this is only a joke because I really feel that the election can go any which way.
Absolutely.
It is early days yet. 126 leads for the NDA, 86 for the Mahagathbandhan, Jan Suraj leading at 5, others at 6. My sense is, and if we can look at the friendly fight cluster, my sense is that those friendly fights might cost you a little bit if the election is very close, and those seats, Madhav, if you can take
absolutely.
us
Now because it's changed, it's at 0 for MGB, and this clearly goes to show you that those friendly fights have not gone down well, not well with the voting public for sure. Because look at the India's numbers; they're at 3, and perhaps the Jan Suraj could pick up a few seats here. It's at 2 currently. But I want to very quickly take you through some of the numbers that we were talking about. Not just rural. Rural numbers are 72 for the NDA, 58 for the MGB, and 4 Jan Suraj. This is what we're looking at this point of time. But look at urban as well. Even in the urban areas of Bihar, 20 for the NDA, 7 for the RJD. And what does this really tell you? This tells you that this could perhaps be a comprehensive win as far as NDA is concerned if both urban as well as rural Bihar are voting in this particular pattern.
If you can pause there, Madhav, in the urban center, Jan Suraj not making it is a question that I want to ask. Because education and, the changed future of Bihar is something I thought Prashant Kishore would find traction with. That it has not found. Does that surprise you?
No, you see, what I am finding it weird is that in the urban areas, when he spoke about all that you said, it should have resonated. And in the rural areas, people thought that not many people know about Jan Suraj and its impact. So, it will not have an impact. But then, किस पे सेंध लगा रहे हैं JSP? JSP was said that it was going to take the upper caste votes and it's going to hurt the NDA. But in the rural areas, if it is doing well, then is it hurting the MGP at all? Because they were not supposed to do well in the rural areas. So how have they resonated in the rural areas and not in the urban areas is something which is very interesting.
Absolutely. Let me introduce my panel at 9 a.m. this morning when the first leads are trickling in. 129 leads for the NDA, 87 for the Mahagathbandhan, 5 for the Jan Suraj, 6 for others.